Riding through to show some of the storm damage we got. Had a really big nasty storm blow through here about a week and a half ago. Had a lot of trees taken down, as you're going to see. There's one there. It's right across the road. I haven't been through this part. A big branch broke off that tree. Trees over there taken down. Most of the trees that went down faces east. That's a rarity there. That thing was uprooted big time. That was a pretty big tree. Trees over there in the distance. See the dead leaves. That way too. See a bunch over there. They're everywhere. Just busted to all get out. Bunch of branches. No big trees right there though. There's a tree that pretty well destroyed. Really bad. And that's probably part of it. There's some more there. There's one that got totally uprooted. There's a big one over there. I'll get a better view. Medieval times, people. There's a big tree that busted pretty badly. I had to go through the second time, go the other way so you can see the rest of them. Get you a better view of the one that fell over here. I'm not sure where it came from. Must have had two trees side by side. It just uprooted itself. Canadian geese. This guy's really testing me. I'd like to get back out of first, but slow as he's going. Kind of looks like the remnants of a big tree right there. A lot of leaves everywhere. Some of the ones off in the woods got blown down. There's some big spots off of that. There's kind of a big tree. It was blocking the road. It's a rare one. It's not aimed east. That was another big one. They've cut that up pretty good. Wish this guy would get out of the way. All right. Finally. Instead of going 7 miles an hour, I can go about 15. Anyway, I come by the same area. I'm going to go the long way up here. There's going to be some big trees. Probably down around the Frisbee golf course. They've got some new obstacles to play around. Boy, do they. Wow. Almost looks like a war zone, just about. A big chunk come off of that tree. Big storms like that come through, we won't even have any big old trees here anymore. They'll all be taken down. Some destruction up here too. Lots of trees. Big pieces of trees too. Then you see some of these really big old trees. You're wondering how they survived when the rest of them went down. This part of the area doesn't look too bad. That's a new little walkway. Wow. That tree took that shelter. Really damaged it. A lot of branches down over here. Big trees. There's another big tree that came down. Pretty crazy. The power of wind. That tree will probably have to be taken down. Oh, that's my little trip through Deming Park.